இன்று கார்கில் தினம். கார்கில் போரிலே நமது வெற்றிக்காக வீரமரணமடைந்த திருச்சி மேஜர் சரவணன் மற்றும் 257 வீரர்களின் தியாகங்களை போற்றும் விதமாக
சரவணனே காஷ்மீர் மண்ணை உடலினில் சுமந்து குமரியில் கரைத்தவனே இறந்தும் 40 நாட்களும் காவல் காத்த உன் பூத உடல் பாரத கொடியை நாட்டிய பின்னே கரைத்தது குமரி கடல் சரித்திரம் எழுதிடுமே.
நம் தாய் மண்ணை காக்கும் ராணுவ வீரர்களுக்கு வீர வணக்கம்.
Unforgettable and make each and every Indian proud. I am a soldier, I fight by and told, and I win by fight. This can explain the bravery of our Indian soldiers. On this day, we would like you to recall the sacrifice done by the soldiers to save our nation. Now, my friends are going to present about Kargil Vijay Diwas. Jai Hind to all. My name is Vinith. I am studying second standard A section. India is the land of the brave warriors. Our Indian army is full of such warriors. In the year 1999, the world witnessed the bravery of our Indian army when we won the Kargil war against Pakistan. To celebrate this victory, Kargil Vijay Diwas is celebrated every year on 26th July all over India.
My name is Roshni Mitra. Kargil Vijay Diwas, a war which was fought by more than 60 days. 527 brave soldiers sacrificed their lives for our nation. A big salute to the braveries who fought for our country. On this day, it is our pride to celebrate and remember the bravery of our soldiers.
Good morning to everyone. My name is K. Neshavandini. I am going to tell about Kargil War. During the winter of 1999, Pakistan Army sent its soldiers to take over a part in India. In order to fight back, our Indian Army held an operation named Operation Vijay. In this war, our Indian Air Force also played a vital role in victory. And the war ended on 26th July 1999 and the day was called as Kargil Vijay Divas or Kargil War Day. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home. My name is S. Nitin. I am studying in 2nd standard A section. July 26, Kargil Day. Real heroes are not made. They are born as heroes. Yes, this line is very well fits to our Indian soldiers. Summer, winter, autumn, spring. Nothing stopped to protect our nation. On this day, we would like to do a tribute to the real life heroes of our parents who are far away serving our country and our lives. Jai Hind.
அக்கினி நெஞ்சில் குமுறும் எரிமலை கட்டின கலட்டும் ஆத்திரக்கார அந்த குருதி அடிமுடி வேரில் அடலை திரட்டும் தைரியக்கார கலியுகம் தேடி கடலான தாண்டி வந்தாயே நீ கரிகாலா அக்கினி நெஞ்சில் குமுறும் எரிமலை கட்டின கலட்டும் ஆத்திரக்கார அந்த குருதி அடிமுடி வேரில் அடலை திரட்டும் தைரியக்கார கலியுகம் தேடி கடலான தாண்டி வந்தாயே நீ கரிகாலா கடலான தாண்டி வந்தாயே நீ கரிகாலா தீரா தீரா மின்னல் போல் வீசும் கரிகாலா தீரா தீரா கண்கள் ஆழ்ந்தால் குறுவாடா தீரா தீரா மின்னல் போல் வீசும் கரிகாலா.
Finally, now we are going to pay a special tribute for an unforgettable person in Kargil Vijay Divas. That special person is Flight Lieutenant Gunjan Saxena, also called as Kargil Girl. Gunjan Saxena was born and brought up in an army officer family. She completed her graduation from Hansraj College at Delhi. After that, she got selected in the Indian Air Force along with 25 other women trainee pilots in the year 1994. During the Kargil War, Gunjan Saxena got the opportunity to serve the nation. Flight Lieutenant Gunjan Saxena was the first Indian Air Force woman officer who went to the war. She made history during the Kargil War as a flying officer. She flew a Cheetah aircraft into the combat zone and rescued several soldiers. Gunjan Saxena was awarded Saurya Chakra Award for her courage and determination in the Kargil war zone. On this memorable day, we would like to give royal salute for her and for all the soldiers who have lost their lives during the war. A true inspiration comes from a courageous person. Yes, we all are inspired by our Indian Army soldiers. And they will inspire us forever. Thank you. Jai Hind.
எங்கே மகன் என்று எவரும் கேட்க ராணுவத்தில்